Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the PEPE update today. So PEPE is now getting a little bit more bullish because yesterday, actually I think today, something really interesting happened all of a sudden, and that is Ethereum has broken above a certain resistance, which was actually this one right over here. So we had this resistance just right there, and resistance this one has been broken out of, and I think that Ethereum is probably going to push a little bit more higher. Perhaps we could even be looking at a $4,000 per Ethereum, maybe even back to the all-time high right over here. So Ethereum has the potential to actually keep moving, and this is the main resistance right over here. Okay, so Ethereum's daily resistance is just right at that $4,000 department. If you flip this over, we got a new all-time high, maybe to $10,000, and we got a nice good bull run. So but what really matters now is that PEPE also has this one trend line that I've been looking for quite some time, and you can see that when we came up to the trend line, it did the very same thing like Ethereum broke the trend line, but it was consolidating for some few days. So number one, we had this touch move down, we had the touch here, another move down, and then we did get rejection initially. You can see that there was a wick on top right there. And for 4 days, right, for the past 4 to 5 days, we've just seen PEPE consolidating until today. Finally, you have broken out of it. So I'm just going to keep this video quite straight to the point today. And 1637 seems like a technical target that is actually coming out of it. So maybe another 20% move to the upside. One more thing is that on the 4-hour time frame, it does look like this consolidation now has turned into a flag, right? So previously, okay, one thing, do you remember we talked about this one being a double top, right? And I said this, that you haven't broken the neckline just yet. So consolidation was happening, and now it does look, who are strong? Which is the strong team? The strong team are the buyers, right? There could be a little bit of a pull down here and then move to the upside as well. So basically whatever was turning into double top has now flipped into a sideways movement, and probably a continuation pattern, as you may actually notice if you know a little bit of basic trading. So this is a continuation pattern, and you take the top to bottom because it's not random that you had this sideways movement, and now you can push it right over here. And look, this continuation pattern takes you exactly, like, look how connected these things are. It takes you exactly to that target. And that's also the target that you can see it's the target of this break where you had it. So you broke out of it. Normally you're going to come up here. You broke even out of this sideways continuation, and it still takes you to that target. So it is very, very, very strong. I believe this, there's a lot of high chances that this is your next technical target right over here. At least there's 2 evidence about it. So that's it for this quick update. If you're not following the channel, man, what can I say? Hit the bell icon so that you can get these notifications whenever I post them. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love is.